I just bought this used Google Nest Audio, and it didn't come a factory reset, so I'm going to have to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You first have to, here you have this button to mute.
The mic's off.
Now the mic's off, and you'll see that they are orange in the front. Then you know that you press.
By the way, the mic's off.
Yeah, of course.
To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back.
So you just keep it pressed. 1, 2.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Don't release, because that's exactly what you want to do. Reset it. And now you can release and wait until it cycles through the process of reset it from factory settings. You turn off and it's going to come back on. You just have to wait. The process will take around 1 minute. And it's booting back until it tells you welcome or something. You'll hear it in a second. That's when you know that it's completely factory reset, and you can, there you go, and you can install it on your network or in your house.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And
The mic's off.
And that's the familiar thing. Now you know you're ready. Of course, you have to move the switch.
The mic's back on.
And then mic's back on, and you're ready to install it with the Google Home app.